Hi everyone, Joe Gentili from Sarraf Gentile. Today we're going to address a pretty basic question. So the question is if you have an immigration denial, how long do you have to file a lawsuit in federal court to contest it? And for most immigration denials, the law that we're using to contest it is called the Administrative Procedure Act, or the APA. And the APA does not have a statute of limitations. So a statute of limitations is basically the amount of time that you have to file a lawsuit. So when you're suing the federal government and the statute that you're suing under doesn't have like its own statute of limitations, there's this catch-all statute of limitations for suits against the government, and that catch-all is 6 years. So with a couple of minor exceptions, you generally have 6 years to file a lawsuit, which is a generous amount of time. It's very rare that we interact with people where the statute of limitations is going to be an issue. Most people, when they get a denial, they're looking to sue pretty soon after they get that denial. But it's good to keep in mind that you have time, for the most part, to file lawsuits if you have a denial. The analysis is a little different if we're dealing with naturalization denials. So naturalization denials has this other step. So if you file an N-400 and that gets denied, then you got this intermediary step before you can go to court, where you have to file something called an N-336 with USCIS. You have a really short period of time to do that. So if you get a naturalization denial, I think you get 30 days to file an N-336. Very, very short amount of time to do that. If unfortunately that intermediary step, that N-336 gets denied, then you have the longer multi-year statute of limitations to deal with. That's very generous. And so yeah, I mean, I kind of view the statute of limitations issues as overall being pretty favorable to immigrants dealing with denials. For the most part, you get years to file a lawsuit. It's very rare that people, if they're going to file a lawsuit, use that much time before filing. Usually they file much sooner. So it's not an issue that comes up often, but it's good to know. I hope this video was useful. And if you have any questions, as always, please feel free to reach out. Hope everyone has a great day. Bye.